All right, so here we are, and now we need to remove this subtotal, grand total. How we can do that? There are several ways. Uh, if you're not getting the option to remove the subtotal from here, then what you can do? Just control and inside pivot table option, here you'll get the option to just remove the subtotal rows and show grand total of columns. I don't need to see that. And now if I'll do that, I'm having those columns only. So I need the graph over here, and what graph would be best fit for this? Let me check here. Come on here, come on the insert tab, pivot chart, and let's choose one chart here. Let's say there are a lot of charts. What would be the best fit? All right, so let's take the column one. This would be best fit for me. All right, here I can see everything in the better way. How many kurtas got sold and everything. All right, so let's give the name, category. As per the amount, this is the category wise amount. All right, so this is category wise amount. Now hide all the chat. Control X this one and paste it in the report. Final report is here. Come on here. Let me scroll it down. Why we are not scrolling it down? We are here. What happens here? Western kurta, this and that. Oh, all right. Just a moment. Get back. Just a moment. Just a moment. She too. So we were not supposed to touch this one. All right. Just undo everything. Yes, this was. We can do anything with this. All right, because the reason is our sheet is taking. Remove this one. We were supposed to choose only here called gender. Where is gender? Age group. Here's the gender. Take this one only here. Take the gender only here. And now I think our graph would be okay. All right, this is fine now. Oh, so wait and see what I mean by that. It's getting changed. And now here now also it's getting changed. It's getting changed. All right, it's working. So we need to do this thing once again, okay, and we need to insert a pivot chart, pivot table once again. All right, and there would be another sheet. So we're having the another sheet here, and here we need to find the graph with all the pie graphs I need with the age group, and I want to know what is the graph, how many, like two age groups are there who were purchasing a lot. Or take amount column. Where is the amount column? This is the amount column. Come on here, paste it here. All right, so I don't want to get this a grand total, and I'm going to remove that. Okay, come on the pivot table option inside here and remove the data. All right, I'm having those things, and now insert the pivot chart. Come on here in the insertion pivot chart, and then senior and teenager there. Let's take a pie graph. Not understandable, but all right, so let's take this one only, this one. All right, and here we can hide the all the required buttons. This is a senior versus teenager. All right, and almost all good. And copy this. I mean, let's give it in that way. Oh, it seems amazing. Which one? Which one? Which one? This, not this. This one. All right, this one is amazing. Now control exit from here. Come on the final report and paste it here. Now I need to connect of we need to connect this thing, this graph as well with these, I mean, slicers. If I right click over here and um, let's see what is happening here. Let me see if we can connect the slice. So report the connection, pivot table 1 and pivot table 2. So here's the pivot table 2, sheet 5. All right, so sheet 5 is this. Now let's see. All right, this got connected now, and connect this one as well. How we can connect through report connection, choose one of the tables here and connect. All right, buddy. Now we can simply see, select the senior, select the this, and you would be able to see the graphs and select both and remove the filter. And here is the graphs. All right, till now we find many graphs and many correlations. Now let's try to find certain other graphs. Here we are in the past data store and try to do the same steps for another data set, another graphs all, I mean pivot chart, and come on here. And now let's see what else you want to know. Let's say we want how many, you know, we want to find the graph between order ID and between delivery, or okay. All right, so order ID and purchase, then what will happen? Customer ID is there. Customer ID should go inside this, but now it's so big enough. Let's give customer ID over here. All right, and then delivery status. All right, and then give the status here. All right, so here is a weak value, so we wouldn't be able to find everything in the better way, but most of the products got delivered. This is the graph, but I don't find this graph beautiful or amazing, but I need certain other graphs here. So remove this one. I want to delete this graph. Let's choose another graph, pivot chart. What else graph I have? I hope the pie graph again would be one of the good graphs which can give you the better, give us the better insight. So let me choose it. Hide all the buttons and say status as per the ID. ROID status. So this is ROID status, and this is quite fine. So click on it once again, click on it. All right, and here are a lot of okay. mm, Remove this thing. I mean, it's not. I need to change the orientation of it. Angle first. Here, here in that way. All right. And now let's try to make it in that way. All right. And this is refunded. This is, let's check, refunded. Mhm. Let's say refunded and keep in that way. All right. And let's say returned, and this you must keep in that way. Cancelled, and you must keep in that way. All right. So this is graph here, ROID status. So you can see, we are having the ROID status over here, and control exit from here and come on in the final. Here we are right now. So give the store right. All right, here, paste it here. Here we are right now. Here we are having this graph. This is status. All right. Now we must enter a couple of more graphs here and there. Two graphs, not more than that. So come on here. I mean, come on in the parse store and try to insert the pivot table once again and keep it blank. Let's say I want state wise, state wise. I mean, auto ID versus. Just a moment. Here we can pass the customer ID. I mean, customer ID or order ID would be different, right? So let's try to know the customer ID. We are having the customer ID over here, and here I'll pass the order ID, and it will give you the count. So what we can do, paste it here. I mean, keep it in column. All right. No, I want to remove this, remove the field, and take the amount only. Where is the amount? Here is the amount here you can keep here. All right, so let's see the graph between those things. Now we must not have any. Come on here, tables don't need to show anything kind of this. All right, now let's see the graph. Let me control and down. All right, control and down. I am here. All right. Let's go up. And now what we'll do here, we'll insert the chart, pivot chart. And here you can see the line graph and the bar graph. Liquent, what is this? What happened here? Why this is blank screen? We need to wait for a couple of moments. Okay, all right, now here are a lot of graph. This is line graph, and as per the auto IDs, you can see what we are getting here. But this graph doesn't align, so I think again we can have that column. It's not appropriate one, and it's lacking a lot now. Let me refresh the system and I'll get back.